In this tutorial I will explaining to you in details how you can set up a lifetime free hosting account with free domain name setup. Firstly, of course, you will need to open your browser on a computer or mobile device. Go to the search bar and search Infinity Free. Click on the first link on the result page. After the landing page is loaded, locate the sign up button and click to sign up. Now you need to fill in the required details including email, a strong password, and confirm the password is correct to continue the sign-up process. Check the provided email address mailbox to verify your account by clicking the link sent to the mail. After verifying the account, you might get another verify page prompt. Just refresh the page and you're good to go. Now that your Infinity Free account have been created, the next step is to create a hosting account and register a free domain name. Click on the Create Account button to continue to creating account. Now you need to choose a befitting domain name and your choice domain name extension. You can also map a custom domain name if you have one already. There are several domain name extensions you can choose from, but I personally prefer the rf.gd to others. And that is because it is shorter and looks more professional than others. Click on Check Availability and continue if available. Now for the concluding step, you need to set a strong password for the hosting account. Note that this is the password that will be used to log into the cPanel area in future. Click on Create Account, solve security captcha and click Create Account again to finish step. Now that hosting account have been created successfully, you should click on Control Panel button to go to your Control Panel area. This is a very important step. Make sure you accept this prompt by clicking the green I approve button, or the account will not function. Now that the hosting account have been created successfully, you can go ahead and use it as you please, either for hosting Linux sites or other scripts including Laravel, Joomla and even WordPress. This is the file manager for hosting static pages and sites. In my next video I will be showing you all how to do that. This is the Softoculous app installer, which is a cPanel tool used in performing different web development function, including install scripts like WordPress. As you can see, there are already different scripts readily available for installs. So that's how to access free web hosting. Subscribe for more exciting content. And also don't forget to hit the like button and share to friends. Let's visit our site to confirm it's live and ready to go. It's live. I will see you in the next session. Thank you.